Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz app you click on settings. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Wizz app. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.